PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair is a commercial HVAC contractor that provides reliable and efficient heating, cooling and air conditioning services to commercial customers in Norristown, Pennsylvania. We provide commercial heating and cooling services, as well as other HVAC services, including service, installation, repair, and maintenance. Call our commercial HVAC contractors today if you have any questions. Are you looking for a commercial HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. What is light commercial HVAC? Natural temperature and ventilation distinguish light commercial HVAC from large commercial systems. Instead of electricity or large boilers, it uses sunlight and heat lamps. What is the most common commercial HVAC system? The most common commercial HVAC setup is a single split system due to its lower cost and suitability for smaller businesses. When there are a lot of small rooms in a building, a single split system is the best option for heating and cooling. What is your service area for the Norristown, Pennsylvania service office? Our commercial HVAC contractor have served Norristown, Fairview Village, Worcester, Eagleville, East Norriton, West Norriton, Audubon, Bridgeport, Center Square, Blue Bell, Broad Axe, Lafayette Hill, Conshohocken, King of Prussia, Arcola, Yerkes, Worcester, Jeffersonville, Pennsylvania. Where is your Norristown, Pennsylvania commercial HVAC contractor office located? We are located at 204 DeKalb St. Norristown, Pennsylvania 19401. Our phone number is 610-672-3056. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/DeKalb-St-Norristown-HVAC-service.